Hi, I'm Chef Shenarri Greens. We're in Cadence right now and we're making a southern fried lasagna. So the inspiration behind this dish, I grew up eating lasagna all the time, so I wanted to somehow incorporate that into the menu. This is not how I ate it growing up, so I decided to kind of evolve a dish that my mom always used to make and figure out a way to make it a bit more southern in a sense. So we went with the frying technique. So we take lasagna rolls, we do a layer of pine nut ricotta, we do a layer of red wine bolognese, roll it, we triple bread it with flour, a little bit of almond milk, and then breadcrumbs, and then we deep fry it. So that is the inspiration behind this dish and how we make it. These are our lasagna rolls. They have been breaded and they've been sitting for a little bit, so they're all ready to go. Yeah, so this is what it looks like, and now we're going to go ahead and fry it safely. All right. All right, last one. Oh my God. Embarrassing. So this is just going to fry off for a little bit, and then we also are going to plate that with a little bit of tomato basil sauce that we make here in-house. This is our #1 dish, so it's really important that we do this right and perfect. It happens fast. Yeah. Life comes at you fast. This is what it looks like once we take it out the fryer. You know, it's deep fried, it's sturdy. There's a lot of great flavor on the inside, and then we just hit it with a little bit of Maldon salt coming out of the fryer for just like a little bit of additional flavor. And I have some tomato sauce here, just heating that up. So in the tomato sauce, we have some tomatoes. We don't use any processed sugars here, so we actually use maple crystals and maple syrup for a lot of our cooking. So there's tomatoes in here. We have some onions, some garlic, some basil, maple crystals, and a little bit of salt, I believe. I can't think of the full recipe off the top of my head, but yeah. Have a little bit of tomato sauce here. Gonna go ahead and pop that in right there, evenly on the bottom, like that. Okay. And then we're gonna go in with our lasagna rolls here. All right, just got one, we've got two. Then we're just gonna finish it off with a little bit of microgreens, just for like a little bit of pop of color. And that is our southern fried lasagna.